Our latest batch of boards from China has arrived. We got our new memory board that incorporates an EEPROM with the RAM. But we're going to set that aside right now for the moment and work on our new motherboards, or backplane. That's what they actually are. That I'm going to add this connector to. Basically, there's not a major change in these, but on these I'm going to add this PC power supply connector to the back, and also a voltage regulator for the -9 volt supply, because if we go over here, you'll notice on the current test bed we've got a kind of a jerry-rigged connector here that I built in a hurry. Connects into the original power supply barrier strip here. Here's the 9 volt negative voltage regulator. That'll all be incorporated directly on the board over here, so I can just plug the PC power strip, power connector, right into the board, and away we'll go. Much more convenient. Mainly interested in the +5 volts and the ground, and we'll also get the -12 volts regulated down to 9 volts with that onboard regulator, 7905 regulator IC, and away we'll go. So we're going to build that first, then we'll stuff it and we'll get with the memory project. Love those Chinamen. Working on the board. I got the first couple of parts soldered in already. These two resistors here, current limiters for the two on-off LEDs, one for +5 volts, one for -9 volts. Here's where the connector will go. We're going to do our board connectors first because they're lower than this. It's a little easier. I like to put these things on here in kind of ascending order of height, shortest and smallest to the tallest. That way when you solder things you can just turn the board over and not have to worry about them falling out because the higher parts on the board. Makes it a little more convenient. Saves you a little time. Otherwise I got this silicone glue here that's pretty handy that I use to just glue the parts on before I solder them. That works too. But I don't have to mess with the glue if I do it properly. So that's what we're up to. Okay, back to it.